If you're using a Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or S25 Ultra and facing Wi-Fi disconnection issues, you're not alone. This is a common problem and can be really frustrating. In this video, I'll explain why your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting and share some easy fixes to solve it. Stay with me till the end. Step 1. Check Wi-Fi settings. First, make sure your Wi-Fi settings are configured correctly. Go to Settings, ensure Wi-Fi is turned on, and check if you're connected to the right network. If everything looks fine, the issue might be something else. Step 2. Turn Wi-Fi off and on. Sometimes simply turning Wi-Fi off and back on can fix the issue. This quick and easy trick can help reconnect your device to the network. Try it and see if the problem goes away. Step 3. Reset network setting. If the issue persists, try resetting your network settings. This will restore Wi-Fi settings to default. Go to Settings, General Management, Reset Network Settings, then reconnect to your Wi-Fi and check if it works. Step 4. Update software. A software bug might be causing Wi-Fi disconnections. Make sure your phone is running the latest software update. Go to Settings, Software Update, and if an update is available, install it. Step 5. Check for device interference. Other connected devices might be interfering with your Wi-Fi. Try disconnecting some devices and see if that improves the connection on your phone. I hope these solutions help you fix the Wi-Fi issue on your Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or S25 Ultra. If you still have problems, drop a comment or contact Samsung support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.